clear about my time, no? And then I'll say this, no? When I asked you to be actually, uh, what do you call this one? I asked you actually to send me what could be, or what could you read in the mind of the disrespectful one, why he was able to actually make those sounds. Okay, so when I sent that to you, or when I asked you that, actually minutes away, that guy, this, sorry, gave me chat and was apologetic. He asked apology, and of course, I will no longer actually disclose his name. Okay, he's a he, no? Here, no? Because I do not want to actually humiliate him also. Okay? So, if there will be no response yet for you guy, means to say, I am weighing my words. I am actually, uh, what do you call this? Be so sensitive, no? Okay, what words or what will be those words of, showing you the, I do not know, no? So, just I'm not a snob, no? It's just that, uh, yun lang, no? I will have time to you. Okay, he knows who he is. Okay, and then the lesson here is, of course, no? You do not do that to me. Okay, I am your parent, no? If you do have problems with subject teachers, the other subject teachers, okay, who will you go to, no? To seek advice or to seek defense, no? Or it will be your parents? No, it will be the parent in your school. It will be me, your class advisor. Okay, if you do that to me, and if you will be having problems in the future, for sure, no, you will be ashamed to actually uh, bring your problem to me with the other subject teachers. Okay, let's go now here in our lesson. Okay, so Serbo and I do not know if you do have reply already, no, Serbo and Pagkal. No, I will consider Pagkal's excuse. So if you want to actually take the quiz, just tell me after lunch. You can have it. But I'm busy. No, doing something. Of course, your card will be distributed on Saturday. And yes, I'll meet your parents. No. What else? I will not give feedback, or we will not discuss the answers for your quiz because, of course, no, the two will take, and I will not also tell, no, about the quiz. If you told them the two about your quiz, which is hard, okay, then it's your loss. It's not mine, okay? Because me, I'll make sure that they will not know about it. No? I'm not unfair, no, to everybody. Please read me as that, no. I will not play bias. Believe me. Okay, let's go now. Let's have this one first. Now it's a new lesson. Now it's a lesson two. Okay, ready your textbook. Okay, let's have this again. The class point up. Okay, so the class point up is there with math in motion. I'm sorry, class point ma. No, the textbook din kasi yun din yung tumusok sa akin. Bakit nakagawa ng sound yung taong yan? Boring daw, no? Okay, sige, maglagay na tayo ng apps dito. Baka reklamo ni si Sir Romel. Okay, go to your apps. Class point dot up. And then sige. You are boring if you're not to engage. Okay, let's have this, no? What can you say about the polynomials? Sandali lang po, sandali lang, sandali lang, sandali lang. Okay, wait lang ha. Ayan, kailangan muna natin ng code. Baguhin natin yung code para matino tayo. Okay, wait lang. Ang code ay 54656. You do not enter that yet. Wait for this. Go. 54656. What can you say about x plus 1 when you relate... Ay, sorry. Parang mali. Ulitin. Nasa wrong slide ako. Okay, so ulitin natin, class. Mali. Okay, well, I'm having technical problem here. Of course, you ready your answers now, no? Because I'm asking, what can you say about the polynomials expressions in your textbook? Okay, so we'll use this one. Five, 4, 6, 5, 6. Ano nangyari? Wait lang po. Sige, sorry po. Wait lang. Another number. Boost na. 45490. Okay, let's use that. 5. Sige, go. What can you say about the polynomials expressions below? X squared minus x minus 2, x squared plus 6x plus 5, x squared plus 3x minus 10. Okay, one response is unafraid. It's all the expressions are binomial. Oh, binomial? Okay. No, they're not binomial. Of course, they're trinomial. No, binomial is two terms. These are all trinomial. Okay. Any other answers? Yan na naman sila. Hindi na naman nag-engage. Ayaw kasing nakinig kay Mama Raya. Okay, sige. We do not use the class point, but I want you to be actually engaging. What can you say about these expressions, polynomials? Aside from there being trinomials, no, not binomials, huh? Okay, what can you say? Anyone? Are they cubic? Okay, cubic polynomials? Yes. Oh, see?
They are quadratic equations po
Very
ba?
good. They are quadratic equations. Oh, what happened to you last school year? Math of Mama Raya. Did you sleep when she was actually teaching you this? Naku, paktay tayo sa inyo, no? So there are trinomials, there are quadratic equations. Okay. They actually give you a graph that is parabola. What else, no? Okay, dapat you've tried this, no? When we say we can flatten the curve, no? It's COVID, no? Pandemic. Okay, dapat you use this. That is why when we say there is a model, no? For every scenario, for every event. Perhaps this event, no? That is pandemic. So lowering the cases and flattening the curve actually is a mathematics, no? So mathematicians use this algorithm, no? So Zyron is talking about the algorithm. It's not about the algorithm, really, the mathematics. But But, sige, we go in here, no? When we are hearing models, no? Scientists, mathematicians makes model on how to actually prevent, no, the cases going up. They actually use math. Okay? So for this one, perhaps, no, as we end our quarter two, we will find out how we actually use a model for you, no? We'll use model, manipulate the model, what do you call that? Monitor, analyze the model, how you can flatten the curve. And by the way, no, quadratic equation is still a polynomial and we can actually use this, no? Of course, it's no longer the quadratic equation that we're discussing here, but it's higher than 2. Okay? Degree. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Okay, tignan natin kung paano tayo mag-graph no, no? How do we graph those? And then, let's have this one now. Write the factors of the polynomial expressions below. Okay? Can you write the factors? Okay, wait lang. Delete na natin ito. And we use this slide, no? Okay, hold on lang po. Okay, sige, you can actually use the same number. What are the factors of this? Okay, so by the way, it haunts us again, no? It haunts us again. Like it's all coming back to me now. When you did not learn about factoring quadratic equations, then you will be having problem. When we say we factor, no? Polynomials with degree 3, 4, 5, etc. You will be having problems, big problems. Okay, wala pang respondents? Respondents or responses? Oh, wala pa yata. Try 1 or 2 or 3, everyone, no? Oh, yun lang ang pangit sa math, no? Ayaw mag-engage. Okay, ulitin natin. Okay. Even if your answers are incorrect, at least you've tried, no? Like Faith, no? She answered that. Okay, it means to say she wants to engage. If her answer is incorrect, still, no, she wants to engage herself. Wag po kayong matakot. Okay, ulitin natin. New class number, ulitin lang po natin, wait lang po kayo. 52246, hintay muna. Huwag nyo munang i-encode. Okay. Saka nyo pa lang siya i-encode pag sinabi ko. Okay, sige. This is the time, 52246. Oh, those are simple factors, no? How many factors will your quadratic equation gives you? There are 2, no? Why? Because the leading term there is x squared and it's giving you 2, no, roots because of the degree. It's raised to 2. Oh, wala pa rin nagre-response. Bakit ganun? Ayaw nyo naman mag-response? Mag-drawing kayo dyan. Okay? You can use your cell phone actually. That's why it's slide drawing. Wala ba kayong ganito? Ito mga batang ito. Ito mura lang po ito sa online. Oh, and then you can use your cell phone, smartphone. Okay, sige. X squared minus x minus 2 volunteer. Factors. Sige. I'll take note, no? OZ. The ones who are engaging with me, Ana Faith, Ozzy, who else? Wala na. Hindi na ako makaturo. Kasi tumatagal tayo. Review pa lang yan, no? Okay. Do you know tic-tac-toe? Hindi pa rin. Tic-tac-toe, you write it down and then actually you search that over at YouTube, no? Gives you that. X squared minus x minus 2. What are the factors of 2? It's 2 and 1, no? And then x plus 1, x minus 2, maybe. Okay, they are the factors of x squared minus x minus 2. X squared plus 6x plus 5. Factors of 5. 1 and 5. X plus 1, x plus 5. Okay, nakakatuwa tong section na to, no? Okay, dalawang section. Buti nila wala pa isang section, no? Okay, x squared plus 3x minus 10. Ako na rin lang sasagot. Okay. Ayaw mag-open ng mic eh. Parang walang achiever, no? Saturday yata, wala akong i-announce na achiever. X squared plus 3x minus 10. Factors of 10. It could be 10 and 1, 2 and 5. What else do you want to know? I'm still talking to you. You're not engaging, class. Anong gagawin natin? No? Sobrang liit pa yan? Yung nakikita nyo sa screen? Yes, kasi nga naka-maximize kayo. Paano lalaki yan? Okay, I'm answering everything there, no? Okay, parang hindi na ako gaganahan sa inyo, class. Okay? What are the factors of this? Again, hindi ko na gagamitin yan. Hindi naman kayo nag-engage. X squared plus 3x minus 10 could be what? X plus 2 times x minus 5. Okay? Find out. Okay, let's go. And then we review first, no? Because these are very important. Okay, so I assume you are seeing it, no? Let's review the long division algorithm. Okay, this is your long division algorithm, no? We pertain to dividend or polynomial if we pertain to this px, no? P of x. Dx is your divisor. Okay, that dx is also your x minus a. Ano kaya yun, no? Okay, and then qx, of course, it's the quotient. And the remainder is rx. And then this is the definition of the synthetic. Simplest and shortest way of dividing polynomials by linear expression of the form x minus a. And then we have the synthetic, right? And then, sige, let's go now here. So this synthetic and division are related, no? Long and synthetic are related. And then we go now here to our new lesson. Okay? I think with the definition, it will not be clear to you, no? Sige, let's read it. Can you read it, Justin? Remainder theorem.
Sir, ako po.
Yes.
If px is divided by x minus a, then the remainder is the value P8.
Continue.
If
Specific parts for x plus 1. What can you say about x plus 1?
As you see po sa cubic box, there are many x plus 1s. There are 3 po in total. So, in order po to summarize it, it can be x plus 1 cube po.
Very good. It's x plus 1 enclosed in parentheses, you mean, right? And then cube. Very good. Okay. Any other idea? Okay, Miss Veroya. Listen to them, okay? I'm removing my face there because parang feeling ko pinagtatawanan niyo ako. Ano? Baka you make memes out of my face. Okay? Okay, don't forget to actually show up there. Absenan ko kayo. Okay, let's go. Alina Venice. What else? Okay, put it this way. No, Alina Venice, I do not understand x plus 1 in parentheses and then raise it to cube as told by Miss Medina, Aliana. Okay? Can you elaborate that? Okay, Alisa, can you say something? Are you listening, guys?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Actually, sir, I had the same thought as Aliana po, where there's 3 x plus 1s, and then it's 3 technically means cube, and it's a cubic box. So I also noticed there that not in the same spot po, like parang there's different sides to it. I don't know what that means, pero like it's there anyway.
Okay, you're almost close to it.
Parang, yeah, that's how sir play of this game.
Okay, there x plus 1. Each is in the specific part of the box, right? Okay, what can you say about it? Anyone? Sige, let's go to Miss Aliona. Because others could really not understand, no? That's x plus 1 in parentheses, and it's raised into 3. It's cube, no? And it's a cubic box. Okay, I'm actually wanting an answer, no? A specific answer. Why is that x plus 1 placed to those parts, no? Specific parts. Anyone? Okay, I'll show you this. What px can you create out of this 3x plus 1? The 3, no? X plus 1. There are 3x plus 1. Okay, you can even relate that to my question, no? Anyone? Okay, we are analyzing and at the same time conceptualizing. We conceptualize, no? We go back to the definition or the processes wherein we are to apply the critical thinking. Okay, what can you say about this? Anyone? Okay, try John Rain.
Think you can create
It's okay, make it
or
fast.
or I don't know
You,
po. I think
okay.
4.
Okay, anyone? Volunteer na lang po kayo para hindi na ako magtatawag. Okay, how about Hannah May, Verde Floor? What can you say about x plus 1 rating those in your cubic box, and even say it's px. Px is a polynomial, no? Okay. Px is a polynomial, no? I did not invent that, no? It was introduced to you by the textbook. Px is a polynomial. It could be a dividend specifically. Okay, can you create out of 3? Okay? Anyone? Okay, sige class. Let me say this, no? When Alina Medina say it's x plus 1, no, in parentheses raised to 3 or cube, maybe you were wondering, no? Okay. I want an elaboration of that one. Okay, how, no? How can you raise it to 3? Okay, without having to consider the parts of this cubic box. You see, this one is the height. This one could be the length, and this one is the width, no? That is why it's L times width times height. Okay? So maybe, it's not maybe, but it's specific, no? For height, the polynomial is x plus 1, presented by x plus 1, and also the same for maybe the width here. I do not know if which one do you want, a width and or length here, no? But in a square, really, there is no length and width. They are but sides, no? Okay, so for this one, it's but sides, sides, sides now, no? It's not L, width and height because you are pertaining for a rectangular prism, no? It's a rectangular prism. Take note about it, no? LWH. Did you get that? Okay. So for those one, it cannot be represented by x plus 1. Why? Because they're not the same. They're rectangular, no? But for this one, it is but a cubic box. That is why it's sides. So this one, a side that is height, a side that is, could be a width, and then width, and that one is a length, no? That is a side, no? Why side for cubic box? Because they are all equal. And when we say it's S, volume of this cubic box is equal to S raised to 3, and then we say it's a volume really, no? That's why S can be represented by polynomial also. It's x plus 1. Kaya sabi niya kanina, x plus 1 raised to cube, sir. Did you get me? Okay. That's what I'm waiting for you, no? There is a diagram there, illustration, a drawing. But how do we actually read it, no? Okay. So those dimensions matter, no? Side, side, and side. It's not length, width, and height. Again, it's for the rectangular prism, no? Okay, it's not for a cubic box. Okay, let's go. So for this one, these are the factors, no? And then we say these are the factors of the px. Why? Because if we multiply everything, like multiplying s times x times s, that gives you volume for the cubic box, we're also finding the px, the polynomial, no? So these are the factors. Okay, you see? Okay. Quadratic equation, if they give you factors, this one, cubic, this is a cubic polynomial, it also gives you 3 factors. Okay, so when we multiply this, x plus 1 3 times, what is the polynomial that you can create? Anyone? But you're there now, no? It's my next question. What px can you create out of this 3 x plus 1? You multiply the 2, and what do you have? Anyone? Yampong. Some? I'm multiplying these factors. X plus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1. Okay, what factors do you, I'm sure, what polynomial do you get? Say it clearly. I cannot understand you.
I'm not sure.
You're not sure?
Yeah.
Oh, how about applying your Pascal's triangle? If you're having difficulty with x plus 1 times x plus 1 first, and then that polynomial times x plus 1, can you not apply the 1331 from Pascal's? You're not applying what I'm teaching you. Okay, so class, may have it. No, the polynomial that you can create here, it's but what? It's x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. Coming from your Pascal's triangle, it's 1331, no? So 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. And then x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1 gives you the constants 1, 3, 3, 1, no? And then, of course, the value of y there, it's 1. Okay? Okay? Do the long multiplication of your binomial. Okay, so okay, that's enough. We'll go to this one now. So this is I'd like to actually tell you, no, the most, what do you call this, aside from the graph, the application of your polynomial, which is cubic, no, and then going forward, we raise it to degree 4, 5, and etc. Application for the cubic is this one, the volume. Okay, remember that. Okay, there is but a polynomial for cubic, and the best representation of that is the volume. Why? Because we're talking about the three sides, no? Okay. Those sides could be LWH or S for cubic, and etc. etc. Then let's go now here. It's okay, dapat maintindihan nyo ito. Okay, so I'll make this larger for you, no? Para mas maintindihan natin. And then there's proof there. Siguro on Monday, I'll explain that one. Okay, so I mix factor and remainder now, no? And then having that example a while ago, this one, no? I hope you can see this. Okay, I said px is x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus y. And what are the factors again of that cubic box? They are but x plus 1, no? Remember that. Okay. Did you get it? Okay. When I use this one, polynomial, no? For that cubic box, I have this. And then it says there, in the theorem, the x could be replaced by a. Why? Because I think I accidentally told you this, that x and a could be similar. Okay? Okay, for instance, in here, x plus 1, it's a linear, no? Linear expression. So for that one, a value is an x minus a negative 1. It's a negative 1 for a, no? And that a could also be equal to x for those theorem. Okay, you'll find out later on why, no? So whatever the value of your x, from x plus 1, it's negative 1. It's not positive 1, huh? Why? Because it's not x minus 1. Okay, this is this is x plus 1, that's why it's negative 1. If it's x minus 1, it's a positive 1. Okay, let's use it. So for this one, x, replace it by a. Okay, what happens? What is the value of a? But take note, no? I'm considering x plus 1. Why? Because it's one of the factors. Okay, one of the factors of that cubic box. One of the factors of that polynomial. This is your polynomial. Okay, let's try. But what is the value of your a? It's negative 1 from here, no? A linear expression. And then negative 1 here, okay, a function, no? Okay, so this one, you're seeing this one now, a function. What is the value of a? It's negative 1. Replace all x there, no? Why? Because we say it's x is equal to a, it's a negative 1. Okay? You're not seeing a there, no? But we say x can be equal to a, can be equal to -1. And then process that. -1 raised to 3, it's a -1. -3 times -1 raised to 2, -1 raised to 2 is a positive times 3. It's a 3 here, no? And then 3, -1, it's a -3, and 1, you add them everything, it's 0, no? And then -1, you say it's 0. But wait, no? It's suspense. Okay, which theorem is telling it is a 0 value? And it's that theorem. Okay? Okay, and then let's postpone it, no? Try this other example. Okay, we all know that x plus 1 times x plus 1 and the other x plus 1 is this polynomial. See? And then, what if the other factor is wrong? No? Let's try x plus 2. Okay. And then we say x is equal to a is equal to -2. And then we have that -2 here. Okay, so passes this. And then passes that. Okay, it's up to you now. No, it's 22 na kasi. And then, what can you say? What's the value of this right side, no, of the function when we say it's -2? -2 is coming from the x plus 2. And that x plus 2, okay, I suspect it's not a factor of that polynomial because it's x plus 2, no? Okay, it's making the polynomial wrong. You're guessing the factor wrong, no? X plus 2 is not it's in any way a factor. It's wrong, no? Because I did not change this, okay, based on these 3. But this is a polynomial based on the 3 factors that is x plus 1, no? Okay, what happens? Will it be the same as 0 here? No, it's not. The value is -1. Why? Okay, that is the remainder to the. Okay, that is the difference of the 2, no? Okay, so when I say I'll just get the other one factor, no, this one, the end one, and use this, it gives me 0 value in the right side. And we say that this one is a factor theorem. Okay? Factor theorem. Okay, remember that, no? Okay, if the value in the right side is what do you call that? 0, and it's a factor theorem. But if you tested this one, and that is a fake one, okay? Yung the other one, sorry. Saan ba ako nagsulat? Dito pala. Okay. And this one gave you a value other than 0. Okay. It is your remainder theorem. Okay, it's not remainder, huh? Justin, it's remainder. Okay, that is the difference between the two. Okay? Again, we can say that for this 0, if it's giving you 0, really, no? X plus 1, no? Okay, let's assume x plus 1 is one of the factors of those polynomial. And it's, you say, and you tested it, it's correct, it's 0. Then you say, x plus 1 really is a factor of that polynomial. This one, x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x. And we tested this, and it gives you a value not 0. It is a remainder theorem. And we say, x plus 2 po, hello, you are not factor, you're fake. You're not factor of this polynomial x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. Okay, did you get me, class? Okay, now we go in that definition. Okay, that is why this is the definition. Okay, there's the value there. What's the value of PA? In here, the value of PA, which is -1, is 0. Okay, see? That is a refactor theorem, no? Okay, because this is the factor theorem definition. Ayan. See? Must be 0. But it gives you a value other than 0, then go here. There's a value of PA. And it's not 0, it's a remainder theorem. Okay, let's go to your textbook. Naintindihan ba? Okay, thumbs up if you do not understand. Okay, sige, tingnan natin. Tayo sa libro. Ako, nag-end na yung libro. Okay. Wait lang po. Okay, let's go to the first example there. No, it's very long in your textbook. Para mas naiintindihan niyo. Bagal ng internet. This time on book, and for the others who cannot even open their textbook, sige, sorry lang po. Wait lang at ang bagal ng text ng internet natin. Okay, your textbook, hindi ko kasi siya memorize. Okay, while that one is reading. Actually, this is 246, but x raised to the 5 minus x raised to the 4, and then minus 2x raised to the 3, and then minus 6x raised to square. Okay, x square, and then minus 7x minus 16, the constant. That is the example in your textbook, right? Okay, nahulaan ko siya. Hindi ko siya hinalaan, actually. Okay. 2 minutes. Bibilisan ko, and then I'll give you your example, no? I'm sorry, assignment rather. Medyo mahirap, pero if you have the slightest way how you understood your quadratic equation, hindi siya mahirap. I'm telling you. Okay? Sige, let's have this one, no? Okay. Hirap talaga ng libro namin, no? Okay, huwag kayong titingin ha. Nagkaka-migraine na po ako, class, dahil saka ta-transfer ko dito. Okay, this proof, no, you'll understand this better if you read them. Proof for remainder theorem, no? Maganda siya, okay? So, do not forget that x is being replaced by a there. And then, you'll have this for the remainder theorem, no? That one. Okay? So, how do you know? How do you test that x minus 2 is a factor? Because, by the way, how many factors will there be in this polynomial? If it's x raised to 5, it is but 5 factors. And if you graph it, okay, ganun yung graph nyo, no? Dadaan yan sa x-axis. How many times? It could be 5 times in the x-axis. A graph that is dadaan or will pass through the x-axis 5 times or less, or even 1, no? We do not know. Okay, less. Okay. So for this one, there are 5 factors, and one of the factors could be x minus 2, could be. Let's test, no? So you apply the one that I introduced to you, and then you'll see that the value of the right side of this polynomial, replacing x by 2, okay, this is 2 now, no? That's not a positive 2. Try to figure out, ha? Para kayong mantika dyan, hindi maintindihan kung 2 ang negative 2 ang gagamitin nyo. Paulit-ulit na lang ako dito, okay? So for this one, x minus 2 is a positive 2. It's not negative 2, no? It's not an x minus minus 2 or x minus negative 2. It's not. But it's x minus 2 right away, no? It's x minus a. 2 is your value for a. So it's negative 16. No way that it's that x minus 2 is a factor because it's giving you a remainder. So for this one also, no way, no, that x plus 2 is a factor, no, one of the three factors of this polynomial. Okay, no, it's not. It's 5 pala, no? 5 factors. No way. Okay, because it's negative 227. And also, okay, this is your assignment. Bawi na lang kayo sa assignment, class, ha? Quiz nyo. Bokya. Okay, this one, no? When we say find the k value, what are you looking for? It's not a variable x, but it's a constant. Okay, one constant is missing there. Okay, with the x square, no? Kx square. K there is missing, it's a constant. What could that constant be? Okay, just apply this, no? The remainder theorem. Okay, why 7? Because remainder is 7 value. This is a value, no? PA value. And then, everything else, constants are given. Constant K is unknown. You can find that unknown. Okay? Okay, check that. Ako po. Kung hindi kayo marunong ng equation, patay kayo. Okay, this is your assignment, no? And then we go to the factor theorem. You go to that theorem, find out it's being replaced by a, y0. Okay. And then you go here. X plus 2 is a factor of this polynomial. How many factors again? It's x raised to the 3. That's the highest degree. So you're looking for 3 factors. X plus 2 is one of the factors. Why? Because the right side, when I operated this, with that value coming from here, it's a negative 2 this time. It's an x minus a negative 2. No? This one gives you an x minus negative 2. That's why negative 2 is your a value. Okay? It gives you 0. X plus 2, therefore, is a factor of this polynomial. And so on, and so forth, and so on, and so forth. I'll give you this assignment. Okay, bumawi kayo. Wala na. Okay, that's it. I'm done. Are we done? Okay. Na-explain ko ba ng mabuti? Kasi kung hindi, Aliana, ngumingiti, parang hindi niya naintindihan. Pero naintindihan mo, Aliana, no? Okay. Thumbs up. That is the difference of the two, no? If the right side of the polynomial function gives you a value, then we say it's a remainder, no? Theorem working on. And that factor, that x minus a, that seems to be factor you're testing, you say it's not a factor. But if it's giving you 0 value, then you say that linear expression, x minus a form, is a factor of that polynomial. Okay ba? Ana Faith? Clear? Thumbs up ka, Ning. Gusto kita makita. Ana Faith. Bingi na. Okay, thumbs up ka nga, Nak. Okay, naintindihan. Okay, the rest of you, naintindihan. So, ayun yung mga achievers dyan, no? Okay, hulaan nyo na lang kung sino yung mga magiging achievers. They will help you. Bye-bye, that's the lesson for today, and good luck for those 3 assignments. Bye-bye.